This is the scheduled day for class test 2. I hope all of you are prepared. Class test will be started at 10:40. As a usual process, you have to open your camera. This is the first condition. Second condition, there will be 30 minutes for solving the problems and 10 minutes for upload. In total, 40 minutes. 4 minutes remaining. Please open your camera. Do it quick. Minutes to go. You will find the question in the presentation also in LMS after 1 minute. Okay, here is the question. See the question carefully and let me know if there are any difficulty. Please see the question carefully. Already a problem occurred in the last class test. Can you see the question?
Yes, sir. দেখা যাচ্ছে।
So review it carefully and let me know if there are any problem.
স্যার কোশ্চেন কি এই তিনটাই স্যার?
Yes, that's three.
স্যার একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল।
Yes.
স্যার 1 নাম্বার যে এক্স এর ভ্যালুগুলো দেওয়া আছে 1,2,10 এর পরে কি কমা আছে? মানে কমা দিচ্ছেন নাকি ফুল স্টপ হিসেবে ধরবো?
10 পর্যন্তই। এরপরে
10
এরপরে কোশ্চেন শুরু।
আচ্ছা স্যার, এখানে কমা লেখা আছে নাকি কোশ্চেন, ওই কারণে বললাম আর কি।
It doesn't matter. It's actually not comma for the digits. It's comma for the statement.
ওকে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
স্যার
Yes. Any
স্যার
problem?
আমার শরীরে স্যার আমার শরীরের কন্ডিশনটা বেশি ভালো না, তো তো আমি এক্সামটা দিতে পারতেছি না।
যতটুকু পেরেছো ততটুকু আপলোড করে দাও।
স্যার আমি তো
তাহলে তোমার
দিইনি।
যদি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা
স্যার
কাউন্ট হতো
আমার
আর কি।
আসলে স্যার আমার আসলে কোভিড পজিটিভ আসছে, শরীরও ভালো না।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, তুমি রেস্ট নাও।
স্যার পরবর্তীতে আমি দিয়ে দিব।
এক্সাম দেওয়ার সুযোগ নেই, অসুবিধা নেই, আমরা 5টার মধ্যে 3টা নিব, তো তুমি পরেগুলো অ্যাটেন্ড করো।
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
আচ্ছা,
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। Hello, can you hear me?
Sir,
Writing time is over. Writing time is over. Please start scanning. 10 minutes for it. Please don't write. 3 minutes remaining. Please be quick.
স্যার আর 2 মিনিট হবে আমার পিসি থেকে মোবাইলে, মানে মোবাইল থেকে পিসিতে ট্রান্সফার করতে হবে।
স্যার ফাইল নেম কি শুধু রোল নাম্বার দিব?
If you can upload in LMS,
স্যার ফাইল নেম কি শুধু আইডি দিব?
আইডি কাউকে চেনা যায়? তোমার কোর্স সেকশন দিবা না?
আচ্ছা স্যার দিচ্ছি।
স্যার ফাইল নেম কি ইম্পর্টেন্ট নাকি? আমি তো এমনি জাস্ট সিটি2 অ্যানসার দিয়ে আপলোড করে দিছি, ওইখানে ওই যে ফ্রন্ট কভারটা আছে।
ওকে, বাট মেইলে ধরুন অ্যাকসেপ্ট করা হয় না।
না না না, মেইলে না, এলএমএস এ।
ওকে, one 1.5 minutes. Okay, time is over. I got only 26 scripts. I'm going to start the class.
Sir, hello, sir. Hello.
Time is over.
স্যার একটা মিনিট দেওয়া যাবে স্যার? আমি স্যার সাবমিট করতেছিলাম স্যার, নেট চলে গেছে স্যার।
Okay,
একটা সেকেন্ড স্যার।
do this at LMS. Quick. Now 32, that is 6 people are late.
স্যার সিটির মার্কস কখন পেতে পারি?
Before mid. Your mid will start at 21st August, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Inshallah, before that you will get the marks for both of the cities.
স্যার মিডে সিলেবাস কি 2.6 পর্যন্ত?
No, up to 3.1. I will conclude this in the next class. Please carry with me. Can you see the book?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. In the last class, due to time limitation, we failed to complete this chapter. So this is the last math of this, last example of this chapter. I'm starting from there. You can see, as been said, let x have a PMF. Fx is e to the power minus x minus 1 when x between minus 1 to infinity. Then you can see they found the probability x greater than equal to 1. They found the moment generated function. Then using moment generated function, they estimated mean variance. Then once again they evaluated CDF, and using CDF they have found the mean. But I think if initially we can find this PMF, then it will be easier. Like here PMF is fx is given what? Fx is e to the power minus x minus 1. So if I want to find the CDF, that is fx, I hope you can see from here minimum is minus 1 to x. I take e to the power minus w minus 1 dw. Then we can take e to the power minus 1 to x e to the power minus w dw. Do you understand? So we can take e to the power minus 1 minus e to the power minus w so that e to the power minus 1 e to the power minus e to the power minus x minus 1 plus e to the power 1. What's the benefit? Now if we multiply e to the power 1 and e to the power minus 1 e to the power 0, so this is 1 minus e to the power minus x minus 1. Do you understand how we get it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, that's how we got the CDF. But definitely there is a question why I have calculated the CDF first, because if I have CDF, using the CDF I can easily find this probability x greater than equal to 1. Since we can write this 1 minus p of x less than 1, that is 1 minus f of 1. Then you can put this directly 1 minus e to the power minus 1 minus 1. 1 cancel, minus minus plus, this is e to the power minus 2. You can see instead this integration once again, we can find this is directly, isn't it? So I think if you calculate the CDF first, it is easier. Once again, we have to find this. We have to find the median. They have taken median equal to pi 0.5, but for simplicity, I am taking median equal to m. So since median is the middle value, so its probability is 0.5. Its probability is 0.5. That's why I can write 1 minus e to the power minus x, sorry, not minus x here, it will m, minus 1 is equal to 0.5. Then e to the power minus m minus 1 is equal to 0.5. Then minus m minus 1 is equal to ln 0.5. So m equal to minus 1 minus ln 0.5, and minus ln 0.5 can be written as ln 2. because we know ln of 1 by x equal to minus ln x. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So you can see if we have the CDF first, then rest of the words are much easier. So we have found the CDF, we have found the probability x greater than equal 1, we have found the median, that is the middle point of the given distribution. Then we need the moment generated function. The moment generated function is straightforward formula. We know e to the expectation of tx, which is -1, that is lower limit to upper limit e to the tx e to the minus x minus 1. Then we have to write this. We have to write this e to the -1, which is there is no x involved, so this is a constant. -1 to infinity. We have to write e to the minus 1, sorry, e to the minus x into 1 minus t. I think you know why. This has to be written for the convergence we have shown in the last class. Can you remember? We have shown here. Why? For the convergence. This form should be written for why? Convergence. For why? Then if we integrate this, minus 1 by t, minus 1 by 1 minus t will be the constant here. So this is the integration. If you put infinity, e to the minus infinity is 0. Only if you put -1, then what happened? There is another line here. It's actually e to the -1. Then if you put minus infinity, then 0, minus plus. If you put x equal to -1, e to the 1 minus t divided by 1 minus t. Then finally, when you multiply e to the -1, e to the -1 and e to the 1 cancel, only e to the t divided by 1 minus t. 1 minus t inverse. Do you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then take the first derivative using UV method. Once again, take the second derivative using UV method. Then we know mu equal to m dot 0, which is 0, and sigma square equal to m double prime 0 minus m prime 0 whole square. After calculation, you will get 1. So you got actually 5 things here: CDF, probability of certain value, median, moment generated function, then moment generated function, mean and variance. So this is a complete package. Okay. Mehdi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now from the exercise, we have to solve 2 to 4, then 7 to 9, then 14 to 16. 2 to 4, 7 to 9, and what? 14 to 16. So total 9 maths. How many maths?
9.
Night months.
2 to 4, 7 to 9, 14 to 16. Here 2 is homework, because if I do number 3, 2 will be automatically solved. Customer arrived randomly at a bank teller's window, given that one customer arrived during a particular 10-minute period. So you have 10-minute period in your hand. So 0 less than equal x less than equal 10 actually. X equal to the time within the 10 minutes that customer arrived. X has a uniform distribution with the minimum 0, maximum 10. Then find those. You have to find those. But here CDF and moment generating function is not given. But when I do the math, I will show these two as well. That is the CDF and the moment generating function. So let's run with me. I'll do the math as a package. That is, all sort of things will come in the single math. So 3. It has been given the uniform distribution. What is the uniform distribution given? 0, 10. Since this is given, we can find here A equal to 0 and B equal to what? 10, right?
10.
So what is fx? We know fx equal to 1 by b minus a. B minus a, 10 minus 0. So 1 by 10, right? Then we need CDF. What is CDF? We know before entering the set, this is 0. Oh. Before entering the interval now, x less than 0 is 0. And after completing the interval, it is 1. And within this, x minus a, but a is 0, divided by b minus a. B minus a, 10 minus 0 is 10, right? So we got the PDF CDF. They asked for to find p of x greater than or equal 8. Actually, CDF defined for less than relation, so we can write less than 8. That is 1 minus f8. That is 1 minus 8 by 10 using this relation. So 0.2. Similarly, probability 2 less than or equal x less than 8. Very simple. f8 minus f2. Then 8 by 10 minus 2 by 10. So 6 by 10, 0.6. Do you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now let us find the moment generating function. What is the moment generating function? Empty. e over bt, b is 10. Minus e over 80. What is a? What is a? A is 0. What is a?
0, sir.
0. e over 0 equal to? What? 1. Then t into b minus a. So 10 t when t not equal to 0 and 1 when t equal to 0. Then we need mean and variance. Mean is a plus b by 2. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2. This is 5. And the variance is b minus a, 10 minus 0 whole square by 12. 100 by 12. So you can write 25 by 3. Do you understand? That is everything. বুঝা যাচ্ছে? Then question number 4. The moment generating function is given as mt is this, when t not equal to 0, m0 equal to 1. That is m equal to 1 when t equal to 0. Then we have to find the mean, variance, and the probability. Now, so first we can write the moment generating function in the familiar form. What is the familiar form? Mt is equal to e to the power 5t minus e to the power 4t divided by t, and t not equal to 0, and 1 when t equal to 1, t equal to 0. But this also can be written as, I need the response but not getting this, e to the power 5t minus e to the power 4t. Can I write here t 5 minus 4? Can I?
Yes, sir.
So you can see this is actually moment generated function of the uniform distribution having the lower limit 4 and what is the upper limit? 5, right? So we get a equal to 4 and b equal to 5. So what is the PDF here? Fx equal to 1 by b minus a, 5 minus 4, which is 1, for 4 less than equal x less than equal 5. This is the PDF. Then the CDF. CDF is fx. Before lower limit this is 0, that is x less than 4, this is 0. And after the upper limit 1, that is x greater than or equal 5. Then x minus a is x minus 4 divided by b minus a. B minus a is 1. So we reformulated the moment generated function. We got the mean and variance. Sorry, PDF and CDF. Now we find the mean and variance. What is mean? Mean is mu. Mu is a plus b by 2. So it will 4.5. And the variance is b minus a whole square by 12. So it will be 1 by 12, right? And finally, probability of 4.2 less than or equal x less than or equal 4.7. We'll find this is f of 4.7 minus f of 4.2. If we put 4.7 here, we'll get 0.7, and if we put 4.2 here, 0.2. So what's this? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So these are the system to solve, to find the information for the uniform distribution. Actually, we haven't enough time today, so we'll do up to 8. We'll start from 9 in the next class. We'll do 1 from 7, 1 from 8. In the last class, I have solved this C, so I'll solve B today. And in the last class, I have solved B, and so I'll solve A today. Now, what is the question actually? You can see there is a constant in the function, there is a constant in the limit. They said for which value the function represents a PDF. So we know if the function represents a PDF, total probability will be 1. Using this property, total probability will 1, we'll find C. Then after finding C, we'll find the CDF. They have said to sketch the graphs. I am omitting this because already we have used to sketch the graphs. So I am not doing this here. But we have we'll find the mean and variance. So we'll find C, we'll find CDF, we'll find mean and variance. Total 4 words in every math. Don't be panicked. I'm going to start the math. Just run through with me. (7) B here. It has been said that fx is c root x, 0 less than or equal x less than or equal 4. Now, what we know? What we know actually? We know the total probability is 1, right? But here you have to integrate, not the sum. Here you have to do what?
Integrate.
Which should be 1. C is constant, go outside. X to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, 0 to 4 is equal to 1. Then we'll find 2c by 3. X to the power 3 by 2, that is 4 to the power 3 by 2, 8 minus 0. So 16c, so c equal to 3 by 16. Since we got c is equal to c by 16, so now fx is 3 by 16 root x 0 less than equal x less than equal 4. Then we have to find the CDF. CDF is fx. Fx we know, lower limit to x, a dummy variable 3 by 16, say root w dw. Then we'll get 3 by 16 w to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, 0 to x. If we solve, 3 cancel, 1 by 8 here, x to the power 3 by 2 minus 0 is 0. So 0 less than equal x less than equal 4. You can write here. Also, if you want, you can write this in this form. The fx is 0 and x less than 0. 1 by 8 x to the power 3 by 2. If 0 less than equal x less than 4. And 1 if x greater than equal 4. Do you understand? So কিভাবে লিখতে হয়?
Yes, sir.
কি বোঝা যাচ্ছে?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have to find the mean and variance. Now, to find the mean and variance, we have to find the expectations. Using expectation, we'll do. So, now going to find the expectation. We have expectation of x is equal to, 0 to 4, x fx. Fx is 3 by 16 root x dx. Then you will find 3 by 16 is constant, 0 to 4, x to the power 3 by 2 dx. Then 3 by 16, x to the power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2, limit is 0 to 4. Then you can write 3 here, 2, 8, 3 by 80, 3 by 80, and x to the power 32 minus 0. So 32, if I divide by 16, I'll get here 5, here 2, what is this? Is 18 or 8? Sorry, it is 40. 40. Then if I divide by 8, that is 5, is 4, 4, 3, 12. Okay. So the expectation is 12 by 5. Then expectation of x square is once again in the similar fashion, 0 to 4, x square 3 by 16 root x dx. Then 3 by 16 outside of this, 0 to 4, x to the power 5 by 2 dx. Simplification before the integration. Then you will get 3 by 16, x to the power 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2, limit 0 to 4. After simplification, you will get 48 by 7. So expectation of x is 12 by 5 and expectation of x square is 47 by 48 by 7. Then the mu is the expectation of x is equal to 12 by 5. And the variance is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square, 48 by 7 minus 12 by 5 whole square. You have to simplify this. After simplification, you get 192 by 175. Do you understand?
Sir.
Actually, there is nothing but integration, right? Everything actually application of what?
Integration.
Integration, nothing else. So if you can do the integration well, then you can solve them easily. If you are not efficient enough, then it will be problematic.
Sir, integration একটু ভুল হয়ে যায় আমার।
If actually if this happen, then it will be really disturbing. But try to recover this. There is nothing to do. You have to try your best. Okay. Then the next one, A 8A. Here given x cubed by 4, 0 less than x less than c. Similar work. Once again here 0 to c, now see in the limit 0 to c, x cubed by 4 dx is 1. We have to write this. Then we'll get x to the power 4 by 16. Oh, sorry. 0 to c equal to 1. Then we'll get c to the power 4 by 16 is equal to 1. So c to the power 4 equal to 1. Sorry, 16. Then what is c? 2. Am I right? So x will be x cubed by 4 with 0 less than x less than 2. Then come for the CDF. CDF is fx is lower limit to x, a dummy variable w cube divided by 4 dw, then w to the power 4 by 16, 0 to x, it is x to the power 4 by 16. Also you can write this in this form. Zero before 0, x to the power 4 by 16, or 0 less than or equal x less than 2, and 1 after x greater than 2. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then come the mean. We have to find the expectation. Expectation is 0 to 2 x fx. Fx is x cubed by 4 dx. Then we get 1 by 4 x to the power 4 dx then 1 by 20, x to the power 5, 0 to 2. If you put 2, then it will 32 by 20. 32 by 20, so 8 by 5. So you got expectation is 8 by 5. Then expectation of x square is 0 to 2 x square fx. So it will be what? 1 by 4 x to the power 5. Then you'll get 1 by 6, so 24 x to the power 6, 0 to 2. 2 to the power 6 is 64. 64. So if we divide by 8, then 8 by 3. So we got both. Expectation is 8 by 5 and expectation of x squared is 8 by 3. So mu equal to expectation of x is equal to 8 by 5, and variance equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square is equal to 8 by 3 minus 8 by 5 whole square. After solving, you will get 8 by 75. Do you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You can try this at home. Here PDFs given. You can draw the PDF, graph of PDF. You can find CDF using the integration, then draw the CDF. Also, you can find the probabilities. Actually, enough time is not in my hand, so I will start from this in the next class. I hope in the next class we can solve, complete this, and also start the next chapter. Moreover, in the next class, I will redefined the syllabus for the meet. Until then, Allah Hafiz. You have 2 minutes to find if there is any problem in today's lecture. I'm going to start the attendance sheet. I'm going to take the attendance.